today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Meetup. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you it's like this here. So then all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down. So then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you are looking for Meetup, or just click here on search, then here add Meetup. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just click on for stop here, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.